Hi everyone, how are you all? So today I want to talk about a very important Japanese concept, that is Ikigai. Do you know what is Ikigai? So Ikigai means reason for being, reason for living. And there is also a book, Ikigai, which you can go through. But many of us are figuring to find out what our passion is. We are working and we have our own jobs, but sometimes we are like, okay, this is not my passion, I'm not enjoying it. And we have heard this word passion, but how do we figure out what is our passion? And Ikigai has this beautiful chart that helps you find out what your passion is. So let's look at this. So in Japanese, like if you read the book, you would know that people have longer lives, happier lives, and this is basically this book is about one such village in Japan. And why is that? Because people know what is their ikigai. So after they retire or even before retiring, they start working towards their passion. And when you are working for something which is your passion, you genuinely feel more happy, more alive, and every day you want to wake up and just start your work. So let's look at this Ikigai chart. So in this chart, you can see that there are 4 circles and your Ikigai is actually intersection of these 4 circles. So what is the first thing? So if you're talking about your passion, right, you have to find out what you love. It should be something that you love and it should be something that you are good at. So definitely we can learn a lot of things. So for example, maybe your passion is suggesting people about investments, but are you good at it? Right, you can learn it obviously. So find out something that you are good at and something that you love, and other two aspects of it, if you want to make it your career, is does the world need it, right? Because if the world doesn't need it, then you won't be able to sell it, you won't be able to get paid. Can you get paid for it? So you have to ask these 4 questions to yourself, and then you will be able to find your ikigai. I have linked this chart, you can take a look. Basically, first figure out what are the different things that you love, then figure out what are the things in which you are good at, and then figure out if the world really needs those, and if yes, can you be paid for it? So once you find your ikigai, please comment below what is your ikigai. And if not, entirely changing your profession, but at least start with a side hustle or a hobby, work towards your ikigai, and that would give you a satisfaction. And that is what ikigai is. I hope it was helpful.